That 1972 Kenworth may look old, but once those enormous logs are loaded, you see its true power. It's a workhorse with steel muscles, effortlessly pulling tens of tons across mud-splattered roads. This beast charges forward with unstoppable power, defying the weight of those monstrous logs on its back. It's a top pick for the lumber hauling industry. Wow, this driver is incredible. Just look at him navigating those steep slopes with the heavy timber. It's like watching an artist paint. His quick reflexes and mastery of the truck are truly impressive. This is what modern forestry looks like. The Skidder Equus 175N is equipped with a robust 175 horsepower diesel engine, enabling it to pull up to 10 tons of timber. Its design resembles that of an armored tank, and it's engineered for precision and strength, making it a vital tool in the logging industry. Watching it operate is a testament to the ingenuity in heavy machinery. Have you ever seen a helicopter carrying timber through the woods? The roar of the rotor blades mixes with the earthy aroma of the forest, creating a breathtaking symphony of nature and machinery. It's astonishing how this powerful machine can master the rugged terrain, making the seemingly impossible possible. Isn't it incredible how technology allows us to conquer nature's challenges? The sight is nothing short of mesmerizing. Amidst the frosty landscape of Port, Estonia, a giant crane works tirelessly, lifting logs onto the waiting ship. The wind whistles a chilling tune, while the engines hum an industrial melody, transforming this winter wonderland into a bustling hub of activity. The sharp break sounds dance with the whispers of the trees, creating a vivid scene of tension. Death-defying turns cling to steep hills, testing the mettle of drivers. Engaging in timber loading at night during a snowfall is a professional undertaking. This task necessitates advanced skills and utmost precision, as the heavy, slippery wood presents inherent risks. Additionally, the reduced visibility demands that operators exercise extreme caution at all times. In the heart of a raging snowstorm, the timber truck stands defiantly, as if the layers of snow are attempting to engulf it whole. Yet the seasoned driver navigates through the chaos with unwavering resolve, conquering the elements with skill and tenacity. Witness the Tiger Cat 635 skidder roaring through the forest. With its powerful diesel engine pushing out around 200 horsepower, this beast is like a dedicated worker enthusiastically hauling timber back to the landing. For just $200,000 to $300,000, you can own a true titan of the forestry industry. Now this is what I call a joyride for the eyes. Just look at that Volvo FH16 carrying those gigantic logs through the Swedish wilderness. It's like the truck is on an adventure of its own. Transporting timber by horse through the forest may seem primitive, yet it remains a vital practice. Harnessing nature's strength, this method resonates with tradition and resilience, showcasing a deep respect for the land and its resources. Wow, look at that. The Komatsu 931 XC and C 144 looks like it's come straight out of a sci-fi movie. No matter how tough the terrain, this machine just sticks and powers through. The cutting head seems almost alive, munching on logs like it's always hungry. Have you ever thought about how much skill it takes to control something like this? It's unbelievable. Look at that stunning scene. A lumber truck navigating through the forest feels like an adventure waiting to unfold. The sun streaming in creates a lovely, soft glow that feels almost surreal. But when that truck hits a tight corner, it's like a nail-biting movie scene. It's a dance of nature and machinery. What a captivating sight. What a delightful start to the day. We're unloading timber in the beautiful land of Poland, and the vibe is just fantastic. It's fascinating to see how they all coordinate so seamlessly. It's like watching a well-choreographed dance, each machine moving with precision and grace. Have any of you ever seen such efficiency up close? Share your thoughts.